Okay, these are standing calf raises. Have to do these out here at the edge of the gym because it's the easiest place to actually do them, and because here has a straight ledge. You can do these on a leg press, you can do them on a machine, you can do them on a lot of different things. I prefer doing them on actual ground, okay? What you're gonna do is, initially you're not gonna bother with a weight, but I'm gonna hold the weight. If you're using no weights, all you're doing is you're standing on the edge of something like this. You're holding onto something else for support because you don't wanna be like this trying to balance while you're doing a difficult movement. And you're gonna go down and you're gonna allow yourself to get a deep stretch across the calves, okay? My very well muscled calves. And you're gonna drive yourself up and you're gonna squeeze in that top position like that. You're gonna go back down again and allow yourself to get another deep stretch. And then you're gonna drive back up, same thing again. Get a deep squeeze at the top, okay? Once you're gonna progress to weighted ones, you're gonna do the exact same thing, but you're gonna hold a weight across the front of the body. The reason why you hold the weight across the front of the body, instead of holding it out to the side here, is because when it's here now, more of the weight is on my left foot than my right. So I want it to be across like that. So holding the weight in front of my body, using something else to hold on to for support so that balance is not an issue. And I'm gonna make sure that I get a nice deep stretch at the bottom, a long stretch, and I wanna come up to the top and get a really deep squeeze. I'm really trying to contract the calves at the top, like I'm trying to cramp them as much as I can. Down nice and slow. The key on this movement, above all else, is tempo. Very, very slow. You wanna take 1 or 2 seconds on the way down. Good long pause, nearly pushing into the stretch as much as you can, like you're trying to actually lengthen the calf. Then driving up, squeezing as much as you can, like you're on your tippy toes, like you're trying to reach something on a top shelf, and then down nice and slow. And if you do sets of anywhere from 8 to 15 of those, I promise you'll feel them when you're doing them right. Those are standing calf raises.